Butnu Production. Hi, my name's Dave O Butnu. I moved to China a year ago, and I thought you might want to know what living in China is like. I've cut out all the boring bits, like work. This is the diary of my adventures. Since the last episode, we moved into our new apartment. We took a trip to the local plant and pet market because we needed some plants to make it look nice. Plus, it seemed like a nice day out. It's always nice to see animals. This market didn't actually have many, mostly birds and lots of fish.
These fish aren't for eating, they're actually for pets.
In one fish stall, there were some cool crabs.
Hello. I want to save you. Why are your hands tied? Why are your hands tied?
But I soon realised they weren't being sold as pets, they were there for eating.
Hey buddy. Hello. You're so cool, mate. Give me a high five, please. High five. I'm so sorry you hate me. But you're trying. Yeah, do it. There you go.
We got a load of cool plants. A few days later, we went hiking to a place we'd heard about called Trita. I'll put it up in writing. We were a bit surprised when we got there and found it was a kind of mountain amusement park. This place was crazy. There was a water slide, so we had to go on that.
再见，谢谢。
谢谢。Shit, I got water on me already.
Oh God, we're gonna get wet. My backpack. Save my backpack. Look at what the fuck is this? I'm sorry, I'm cussing in your video. I was not expecting that.
It's actually refreshing and less
Yeah,
terrifying. I thought it'd be terrifying.
At least I'm cooled down some. Oh no! Whee! Oh crap! Don't drop your phone, baby! Oh! Ah! Wow! Sorry, I'm stupid. Woo!
Then we walked past some artillery, which we turned to face itself. Then there was a space exhibit, which was followed by a mountain trek. And at the top of the mountain, there was a horse and some food places. Then we realised we could take a cable car down. We'd never been on a cable car before. I found it pretty scary. Rachel really hated it.
We're in a cable car. And there's our friends behind us. And there's the ground. Whoa.
I just want to get down. I just want to get down. How much longer until we're down? It's okay.
And we're almost there.
I don't care.
You say hello to the Chinese.
Oh God. I'm scared, everybody. I'm just
Hello,
scared.
Chinese
I'm just
people.
scared.
Oh, that's what that is down there. That's the shooting range there.
Oh yeah, I see
That's
it.
where they were doing that.
Walked by it.
I'm filming you, filming me. That's right. Touché. Oh. Are they still behind us? Oh, of course they are. We're all bolted together. Don't know why I've lost this. Nice little garden down there. It's got a pond with some pots on it.
It's okay. If it suddenly fell down, we'd be real fucked up, but we'd survive, right? We'd survive.
From this height, yeah. See, when you get out, they just open the door and you've just got to get out, otherwise you go back up.
Yeah.
There's a man waiting for us.
Yeah.
Put my bag on.
God, yes. Oh God, we're finally here.
Right. Here we go. Joy.
Okay. Get up. Whoa.
When we got to the bottom, we found a shooting range. Then it started to rain, so we got a cab back to town and had a victory hot pot. One day, we noticed a family of strays hiding in the bottom of our building. We started to pass them food whenever our food order was wrong. We slipped them some dog food too.
The food did.
As they got older, they got braver.
See, sweetheart, we just want to help. Oh, he's eating that up.
Come on, whore dog.
That's why I wanted to get the softer food to him.
Be a good girl. Oh, look at his little face. He's so adorable.
Oh, we're not trying to hurt you, really. We just want to... Yeah, I'm getting ate up.
So one night, we decided to rescue the white one, so it wouldn't be targeted by anyone.
Gorgeous.
They are.
What a handsome chap.
So now we had a fourth dog, which we named Villanelle. She was feisty and fit right in as the other girls teamed up to mother her.
Bum, be sweet.
Blakey Blake.
We also quickly fell in love with her.
Hey Villanelle. Villanelle.
That's your special spot.
As she settled in, she got braver and was soon taken on the biggest, Blake, who was a bit confused by Villy and her tactics. Oh. After a couple of weeks, we found her a permanent home. Here she is a few months on, growing up.
Say hi.
Bless her. Shirley, our hiking group friend, told us she was moving to Egypt. So as one last farewell, we took a weekend trip to Zeya. We tried out the rafting. That was pretty fun.
That's good, man. See, now you have no fear. Get him, Max. And I did that one arm. Whoa. Yeah, that was nice. Give me that. Get him, get him. Fuck are you?
You're already on. Okay, this is Chris and his Zeya river drifting fashion. We're going for the whoa! We're going for the feet if we can see them. Amongst all these people. Yeah.
You know, if the shoe fits, you gotta wear it.
If it doesn't, wear it anyway. Okay, this is where we like got out from. Chris was like crawling to the water on the way out. It's so funny.
How was it?
It was awesome. Yeah. There's no water in my left hand.
I just did that in the boat.
After, we drove around until we found somewhere to camp. The owner asked us to camp on the concrete. That was a first for me. It was so hot, and we had a great barbecue for dinner. And the local villagers kept popping by to say hello.
Alright, here's the Zeya crew. And we are, stay there guys, stay, all of you. I'm talking to you like dogs, so I get you on the video. So we're about to go on a paddle boat ride. And it just happens to be 2 boats, okay? 2 boats for us, we got the perfect amount. Just here, where we woke up, pedal, okay? Woo!
We had a nice chilled time in the paddle boat. The dogs had never done any boating before, so it was super cute. After, we got some lunch and found a short place to hike. This place was cool. The trail was all overgrown and it took us up through a series of small caves. When we got home, the dogs were exhausted. A sleeping dog is a happy dog. Sadly, it was now time to say our farewell to Shirley. Hopefully we will see her again one day soon. Bye bye Shirley. That's it for this episode, and also for the first year in China. Watch out for the next video coming soon. Thanks for watching everyone. See you soon. Toodaloo. Ta-ta. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Butnu Production.